We're awash with misinformation spread by social media and so on. So that the level of fake science and bad science and misinformation out there, the volume of it is growing rapidly. The only way to push back against that is by getting the right information out there simply and clearly. The annoying thing, I think, is that it just persists. There are things that have been debunked heavily and
over and over again,
over and over again, and then they just keep coming back. Like, why are we still even talking about flat Earth? How people have searched for certain terms, and I put in all the pseudoscience terms, and it's kind of shocking how they mostly are increasing. Flat Earth, astrology, levitation. You can pick your favorite fake science or pseudoscience, and government. The idea that many people could keep a conspiracy theory secret, that we never went to the moon, it just boggles the imagination. So I don't really truly understand why some people would believe that. And in the US, it's about 8 or 9%. So some things persist just because the authority. The stereotype of science is that it's not very creative. It's just mechanistic and working through equations. And the universe is a little more creative than humans are, and has come up with some amazing things that we've discovered and tried to understand. So that sort of emboldens you to use your imagination. Imagination is what binds all the different disciplines together. So creativity and art and science, I think, are fundamentally the same thing. We're trying to prove ourselves wrong as fast as possible because that's how we make progress. That's Einstein himself, as the architect of the theory that can predict and understand black holes, didn't think they were real. He thought they were mathematical artifacts. When you get an infinite quantity in physics, that means your physics is wrong. And that's the place we still are, actually. Black holes are not fully explained. Eventually, these far future civilizations will be huddled around black holes to get the last energy available to them. It's just possible that as scientists, we may not be smart enough to figure this out. But some things may be beyond our grasp, and we might have to accept that. You can have clever ideas, and you can be a theorist, and you can use your imagination as much as you want. But in the end, until you compare it to reality with an observation or an experiment, it's not science.